Hey, to enable ringtone volume on the Nothing Phone 2A, we can actually do this in the two ways. The first one, you can just click on the volume up or volume down button. Now when you have this slider, click on this arrow, and now to adjust the volume of your calls, let's do this one more time, we have to just swipe like this with this slider. So that's how we can activate the ringtone volume. Also, you can click here to see more. You will be redirected into the sound and vibration settings, and from this you can also adjust this feature. So that's how you can do this. And if you want to mute your ringtone, you can do this by clicking here and selecting, for example, the silent mode. As you can see, it's muted, but also you can do this manually by swiping down with this one. And when you do this, you can additionally turn on this. It's actually the notification volume. So as you can see, we just turn on the notification volume but mute the ringtone. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.